What up, YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra. We got a DoorDash order that I ordered. We have a Baconator double with everything on it. Add onion, add tomatoes, add lettuce, add extra American cheese, add 5 strips of bacon with everything on it, including, and of course, a medium pumpkin spiced Frosty. Oh shit, YouTube, let's go. They gave us plenty of utensils to fuck around with. We'll use that spoon for our Frosty. Like, I'm not gonna spend for... Wait, what? Did they give me something extra? Oh, hold up. I got the burger. Oh, and they put the extra bacon on there. Okay, so I gotta put the bacon on there myself. I'm not mad about it. Got this big old double Baconator. Oh yeah, look at that. Wendy's classic. See, I'm not gonna hold a grudge against Wendy's. Look at that. Look at that beefy goodness. So I want to add some bacon to our burger. They put the bacon on the side instead of adding it to the sandwich. It is what it is. Freshly cooked bacon from Wendy's. Yeah, we're going to add that bacon to our sandwich. They hooked it up with the bacon, folks. Got some good looking Wendy's bacon. We're going to stack the bacon on there extra thick. There we are. Look at that Baconator with extra bacon, extra cheese, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, everything else on it. Oh, that's tasty. We have a Baconator double. Add onions, add tomatoes, add lettuce, add extra American cheese, add extra 5-piece bacon, and a medium pumpkin spice Frosty. They put the bacon on the side. That's a bacon cheeseburger. Now, last time I ordered from Wendy's was not the greatest experience. So far, I got everything I ordered in my order, and it's on point, son. Extra bacon is always more delicious. A double Baconator with extra bacon. And that is delightful. I could have ordered fries, but I wasn't hungry enough for them. Wendy's does make amazing French fries. Not a sponsor. That Baconator was fire, dude. Oh yeah, so far much better than my last experience with Famous Dave's. So yes, I ordered a Baconator double with everything on it. Add onions, add tomatoes, add lettuce, add extra American cheese. Add 5 bacon, 3-piece medium pumpkin spiced Frosty. That Baconator was on point, YouTube. Oh, god damn it. That was pretty tasty, YouTube, but we're here to check out the new pumpkin spiced Frosty from Burger King. Almost said latte, force a habit. So what's this pumpkin spiced latte, blah, force a habit, but pumpkin spiced Frosty from Wendy's. It is fall, y'all, and we have a pumpkin spice flavored Frosty from Wendy's. Wendy's new pumpkin spice Frosty. Let's see how it do. All right. Oh, that tastes like fall, y'all. Wendy's is not a sponsor. This is just free advertisements. I've been wanting to try their pumpkin spiced Frosty ever since I seen Dame Drops do a review of it, and I was like, man, we'll see how it do. Dude, this definitely tastes like pumpkin spice and a half, cuz Like someone making a pumpkin pie and turning it into a Frosty. The pumpkin spice latte is getting the Cobra seal of approval. This tastes like pumpkin pie in a Frosty form. Well, that is delightful, YouTube. That is just simply delightful. If you like pumpkin spice, you like pumpkin pie, that fall seasoning, pumpkin spice, you know, you'll love this. If you love pumpkin spiced anything, okay, you're gonna love this. Pumpkin spiced Frosty. This just tastes like fall, everybody. Last time I went to Wendy's was not my greatest experience door dashing with them, but they redeemed themselves. That burger was perfect. No hair on it this time. And they gave me everything that I ordered. Oh, YouTube. This pumpkin spiced Frosty is the business. If you like pumpkin spiced flavored things, it's fall, you know what I'm saying? You gotta check out their pumpkin spiced. It's not a latte. I keep saying that because of Starbucks, but like, okay, Wendy's pumpkin spiced Frosty is delicious. Oh man, that Baconator was filling, and then you got this delicious fucking pumpkin spice Frosty. But you gotta check out that pumpkin spice Frosty. It's for a limited time only at Wendy's. Not a sponsor. I'll grab one more bite of that. Stick this in the freezer for later. YouTube. Need a napkin to wipe my face and my hands. So at Wendy's, I ordered some DoorDash. Got a Baconator double with everything on it. Add onions, add tomatoes, add lettuce, add extra cheese. And then it came with a side of add 5 bacon, 3-piece. And they put the bacon on the side, so if I wanted to like grind it up into my Frosty or like put it on the burger, I had that option, so I appreciate that. But I put all that bacon on the burger, and of course a medium pumpkin spiced Frosty. Okay. What do I gotta say about this new so this, put this in the freezer, put this, get rid of, put my stuff away real quick. YouTube. That Baconator hit the spot just right, dude. You know how it is, sometimes you go to fast food and you're craving a side of fries, and then sometimes you just want a burger and a Frosty and you're good to go. I want to give my experience with Wendy's on this DoorDash order. 10 out of 10. You got the Cobra seal of approval. Okay, like I said, I wasn't going to stay mad at Wendy's. I know how it is working fast food. Oh man, that was delicious. That Baconator with the extra bacon and everything, delicious. That pumpkin spiced Frosty. Okay, I'm here for it, dude. If you like pumpkin spice, you gotta check out that new Frosty.